Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel AppleWiz. In today's video, we are going to see how you can listen to a web page on iPhone. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to remember is listening to the web page on your iPhone won't just work in every other page. The page must have reader available. So most likely page which have instruction with it will most likely have the reader available in it. Here I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to open my Safari. And in here, you can see this page is already opened in my Safari. And in order to listen to this page, what I'm going to do is tap on this particular icon that you can see right here. So after doing on it here, you will be able to see the option of listen to page. So if such option is not available, the website is most likely to not have reader available. So if you do have the reader available, you can simply just tap on this option, listen to page, and then your phone will start reading the website just like this.
Download YouTube videos that you've uploaded. You can download MP4 files of YouTube videos that you've uploaded to YouTube in either 720p.
And when you're done with it, you can simply just tap on this icon again, and then it will stop. And just like this, you can listen to a web page on your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.